Welcome back. Today I will solve exercise 5.7. Find the second order derivative of the function given in. So first order derivative dy upon dx. So f dash, and second order derivative d2y or dy upon dx. So d2y upon dx square or f double dash. This is called second order derivative d2y upon dx square. First order derivative dy upon dx or f dash. So now given function, question number first, y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. We find second order derivative. So now differentiate with respect to x. So dy upon dx is equal to d upon dx x square plus 3 dy upon dx x plus dy upon dx 2. So differentiating with respect to x. So dy upon dx is equal to d upon dx derivative of x square, 3 common out derivative of x plus derivative of 2. We get 2x. So d upon dx x power n, derivative of x power n times x power n minus 1. Now use this formula. So 2 times and 2 minus 1 according to this, and plus derivative of x with respect to x, that is 1. 3 into 1 plus derivative of constant will be 0. So 2x 1 plus 3. So 2x plus 3 dy upon dx. First order derivative. So we find second order derivative. So differentiating with respect to x. Again. So d upon dx dy upon dx. So 2d upon dx x plus d upon dx 3. So derivative again differentiating with respect to x, dy upon dx is equal to 2 common out derivative of x plus derivative of 3. So d2 also we can read as d2y upon dx square is equal to, also written as in form d2y upon dx square is equal to 2 derivative of x with respect to x 1 plus derivative of constant 0. So 2 d2y upon dx square is equal to 2. This is answer of given question. Question number 2, x power 20, y is equal to x power 20. Find second order derivative. So second order derivative, this means d2y upon dx square. This is called second order derivative. So now we find this. So differentiating with respect to x. So dy upon dx square, dx is equal to dy upon dx and d upon dx x power 20. So now according to this formula, derivative of x power n is equal to n times x power n minus 1. So now use n times and n minus 1 this power. So also 20 x power 20 minus 1, this is 20 x power 19. This is dy upon dx. First order derivative and also find second order derivative again differentiating with respect to x. So d2y upon dx square is equal to, this is called second order derivative. So 20 d upon dx x power 19. So is equal to 20 into 19 x power 19 minus 1. So 19 to 380 x power 18. This is answer. Question number 3, y is equal to x cos x. There are two functions. So derivative product of these functions, so differentiating with respect to x. So dy upon dx is equal to derivative of this x into cos x. So product of two function, first function derivative of second function plus second function derivative of first function x. So product of two functions, so first function derivative of second function plus second function derivative of first function. Now x derivative of cos minus sin x plus cos x into derivative of x with respect to x, so that is one derivative. So minus x sin x plus cos x. So this is dy upon dx. So now dy upon dx is equal to minus x sin x plus cos x. Again differentiating with respect to x. So d2y upon dx square is equal to minus d upon dx and x into sin x plus d upon dx cos x. So product of two functions, so first function derivative of second function sin x plus second function sin x derivative of first function derivative x plus d upon dx cos x. So first function derivative of second function plus second function derivative of first function. Now x derivative of sin x cos x and plus sin, this is minus and so this minus, also minus value minus. So x derivative of sin cos and plus sin x derivative of x with respect to x 1 plus minus sin x derivative of cos x minus sin x. So minus multiply by minus x cos x minus sin x minus sin x. So minus x cos x and minus 2 sin x. So this is d2y upon dx square, second order derivative of given function. So this is answer. Question number 4. Now differentiate with respect to x. So dy upon dx is equal to d upon dx log x. So dy upon dx is equal to derivative of log x 1 upon x. So dy upon dx is equal to x power minus 1, also written in form. So again differentiate with respect to x. So d2y upon dx square is equal to t upon dx x power minus 1. So n times minus 1 and x power minus 1 minus 1. So minus x power minus 2 minus 1 upon x square. So d2y upon dx square. This is answer of given function. Question number 5. X power 3 log x. So let y is equal to this. There are product of two functions. So now differentiate with respect to x. So dy upon dx is equal to first function or second function. So first, second. So d upon dx x power 3 and log x. So first function x power 3 d upon dx log x plus second function first and second. So second function log x and d by dx x power 3. So x power 3 log x derivative of log 1 upon x plus log x into x power 3 times and x power 3 minus 1. So x power cancel out. So x square plus log into 3 into x square, and this is dy upon dx. Also differentiate with respect to x again. So dy upon dx. So d upon dx is equal to d upon dx x square plus 3 times d upon dx. So x and x square. So log x into x square. So first function, second function. Now d2y upon dx square is equal to x square 2x plus 3 in bracket first function log x. So derivative of second function x square plus second function derivative of first function log x, log x. So 2x plus 3 log x into 2x and plus x square into derivative of log 1 by x. So x power cancel out and 2x plus 3 to 6 x log x plus 3x. So 2x so d2y upon dx square is equal to 3x plus 2x 5x plus 6x log x. This is answer of given function. Question number 6, y is equal to e की power x sin 5x. There are product of two function. So now take first function, second function. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy upon dx is equal to first function e की power x. So derivative of second function sin 5x plus second function sin 5x. So derivative of first function e की power x. So derivative differentiate with respect to x. So dy upon dx is equal to first function derivative of second function plus second function derivative of first function. So now calculate e की power x. So sin derivative of sin cos 5x into derivative of this function d upon dx 5x plus sin 5x into derivative of e की power x. So e की power x, e की power x and cos 5x and derivative of 5x. So 5 common out, x into 1 plus sin 5x into e की power x. So dy upon dx. So now 5 e की power x into cos 5x plus e की power x sin 5x. So this is dy upon dx. Now differentiate with respect to x. So d2y upon dx square is equal to 5 d upon dx into e की power x cos 5x plus d upon dx e की power x sin 5x. So now d2y upon dx square is equal to 5 in bracket first function and second function, first function, second function. So first function e की power x derivative of second function cos 5x plus second function cos 5x derivative of first function e की power x plus also in this first function e की power x plus derivative of second function sin 5x plus second function sin 5x plus d upon dx e की power ax. So 5 first function derivative of second function plus second function derivative of first function, also first function derivative of second function plus second function derivative of first function. Now calculate this 5 e power x derivative of cos minus sin 5x and also derivative of this function d upon dx 5x plus cos 5x into derivative of e की power x e की power x and plus e की power x derivative of sin cos 5x into d upon dx 5x plus sin 5x into e की power x. So now this and this, so 5 minus e की power x and sin 5x into 5 common out into derivative of x with respect to x 1 and plus cos 5x into e की power x plus e की power x cos 5x into 5 common out into derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1 and plus sin 5x into e की power x. So 5 minus 5 e की power x sin 5x and plus cos 5x e की power x and plus 5 e की power x cos 5x and plus sin 5x e की power x. So minus multiply by 5, so minus 25 e की power x sin 5x plus also multiply by 5 e की power x cos 5x plus 5 e की power x cos 5x plus e की power x sin 5x. So also can be written as so minus d2y upon dx square is equal to minus 25 e की power x sin 5x sin 5 e की power x cos 5x 5 e की power x cos 5x 10 e की power x cos 5x and plus e की power x sin 5x. So e की power minus 25 e की power x sin 5x, so minus 24 e की power x sin 5x plus 10 e की power x cos 5x. So this is d2y upon dx square. This is answer. That's all. Question number 11. If y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, prove that d2y upon dx square plus y is equal to 0. This question is very important. So solution of this question, given y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy upon dx is equal to 5 d upon dx cos x minus 3 d upon dx sin x. So differentiate with respect to x, dy upon dx is equal to 5 d upon dx cos x minus 3 d upon dx sin x. So 5 cos derivative of cos minus sin x and minus 3 sin cos x, derivative of sin cos. So minus 5 sin x and minus 3 cos x. So d2y upon dy upon dx. Again differentiating with respect to x. So d2y upon dx square is equal to minus 5. So d upon dx sin x minus 3 d upon dx and cos x. So minus 5 cos x and minus 3 cos derivative sin x minus sin x. So d2y upon dx square is equal to minus 5 cos x plus 3 sin x. So minus common out. So 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. So d2y upon dx. So d2y upon dx is equal to minus. This is value of y. This value, this is y. Now y put here. So d2y upon dx square is plus y is equal to 0. So this is proof. This question is proof that. That's all.